It is asking that you have to find the addition of these terms, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that way any series is there that is going on, and we have to find the addition of this. So that means we have to find 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. If there are the 4-5 numbers that we can do easily, we can add them and we can get the answer. But there are more than terms, more than 100 terms, more than 50 terms, more than 20 terms, and numbers are big. That time if you have to find the sum of the terms, so for that the one formula is there, that you will see how that formula will be derived. So first you will see that formula derivation, and then we will get that formula to solve that. Let first term of NAP be A and common difference is D. Common difference is D. Then what will be sum of the n terms? Sn means what? Sum of n terms equals, your series will be like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that way it will go. And in last it will be A plus n minus 1D, A plus n minus 2D, and A plus n minus 1D. In that way that is going on. Last term is A plus n minus 1. This is the one series it is given. Now we have to get the addition of these terms. So what will write? Sn will be A plus D, in the bracket write down A plus D. Then again addition, A plus 2D plus A plus 3D. And again you have to write A plus n minus 2D plus A plus n minus 1 into D. Means we are going to add these terms. There with the addition side I have added sum of the n terms. It is not compulsory कि always we can write the in what ascending order we can add. If we have to add, we can write in the descending order also. Means this will be first, this will be second, and this will be last term. Here A plus n minus 1 is last term. Now we can take the what is as the last term. From last also we can add that number will come same. Example is there, suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 addition will what? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6. And if 3, 2, 1 if we will add, then again it will come 6. So that means we can write A plus n minus 1D plus A plus n minus 2D plus dash 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 A plus 3D, A plus 2D, A plus D, with the plus sign right down, and plus A. Here you'll see that what only the sequence I have changed. Here that was in ascending order, that is in descending order. Means ki this last term become the first term. But the series is same. There is no change in any series. So now if you have to add both, this is the first one and this is the second one, if you add the both, then what you will get? Sn plus Sn will be what? 2Sn. And there you will add the first and first term. What will come? A plus n minus 1 into D. That write down in one bracket because the first term you are adding. Second will be what? A plus D A plus D plus A plus n minus 2 into D. Here the only two terms I have written, therefore only take the two terms. Now last, what is there? A plus n minus 2 d plus a plus d, and last one is there, a plus n minus 1 into d plus a. First two terms I have taken, first two terms I have written that. You'll see also that in the bracket. Now see what will be addition of this. A plus a will what? 2a. This can be written as 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again you'll see here, if we'll add a plus a will what? 2a and n minus 2d means minus 2d and plus d. So what will be? Minus 1d will be remain. That again can be written as 2a plus n minus 1d. Understood? There n minus 2 is there and minus 2d and plus d. So that will be what? Minus d will be remain. So minus 1 d will be common, then n minus 1 will remain. And here again the a plus a will be what? 2a, and same way it will come again like this term is there, 2a plus n minus 1d, and again if you will add this one, a plus a will what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You will see that every time it is coming 2a plus n minus 1 d. So what we can write, this is the how many times it will be. If n number of series are there, then it is going n times. So that we can write 2Sn equals n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Our Sn will be, this 2 will go downside, that will be n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to get the sum of the n terms in any AP. If you have to find the sum of the numbers, whatever terms are given in that AP, we have to add. Then this is the formula, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Thank you.